In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text in Google Sheets. Whether you're dealing with data that's combined in a single cell or just want to organize information more neatly, understanding how to efficiently split text can be a real time saver. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To begin, we will first select the cell or the range of cells where the text resides. You can do this easily by clicking on the specific cell or clicking and dragging if you have a range of cells that you want to split. Taking this step ensures that Google Sheets knows exactly which text you're looking to work with. Once you've highlighted the text you wish to split, navigate your cursor up to the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Data. The Data menu hosts a variety of options for manipulating information in your spreadsheet, and today we're going to focus on a particular tool within this menu. In the drop-down list that appears after clicking on Data, you will find the option Split Text to Columns. Go ahead and click on that. This tool is invaluable for converting text that's crammed into one cell into multiple columns, making your spreadsheet much more readable and orderly. After you've clicked on Split Text to Columns, you'll notice a small grey box appears at the bottom right corner of your selected cell or range. This is where you can choose your separator. The separator is essentially the character in your text that tells Google Sheets where to make the split. Common separators include a space, a comma, a semicolon, or pretty much any character you have used to separate your text within the cell. For example, if your text entries are separated by spaces, simply select Space from the options available. Similarly, if commas or semicolons are your chosen delimiters within your text, make sure to select the corresponding option. It's crucial to choose the correct separator to ensure that the text is divided exactly as you intend. The default option is usually space, but it's always good to check if that's what you want, especially if you're dealing with CSV files or other data sets where commas might be prevalent. Once you've selected the appropriate separator, Google Sheets will instantly work its magic, splitting the text across separate columns for you. And there you have it, a simple, quick, and efficient way to transform combined text into neatly organized data without any hassle. This feature is particularly handy when you're managing large datasets or need a clear overview. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try experimenting with different types of separators in your datasets to see just how versatile this tool can be. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Google Sheets experience.